Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will guide you how you can download and install SQL Server 2014 free of cost. You have to go to the Microsoft official website and search for SQL Server 2014 Express and click on download. And from here, you have to download the Management Studio according to your resolution or bit setting of your Windows. Either it is 32 and 64, and click next. Then it will be start downloading, and here I have downloaded already. Double click here to execute it. It takes a time. So here's the pop-up occurs, and it's saying to where you want to extract the setup. So let's create here SQL Server. Oops, it's server. Okay, and here we want to install. Browse it. In downloads, SQL Server, click OK, and now it will extract all the essential files there, and after that we can start the installation process of SQL Server, so that in the next upcoming video tutorials we can use ADO.NET and Entity Framework, and we can also explore the database of our previous projects. The setup is complete now, and click here to install that into your laptop. Click yes, and now it will start the process of installation. Here is the process begins, and now we have to install new standalone version. Here you have to accept the license. I don't want to use this. Click next, and then it start installing the essential files of SQL Server into Windows. Okay, I don't want to use this. Click next. Install setup files. It start now. Now here is the feature selections. Click next and go as it is. Now after a long time, it's almost complete, and we click on close, and here it's done. Now you can search here SQL, and here you will find SQL Server 2014 is working fine till yet, and let's see how it's look alike. So here is the final view of our SQL Server, and you can use whatever the server type you are wanted, and the server name you like to add. Okay, and the authentication you are going to use, and the options to connect the database, or you can browse even the database which you want to connect. I hope this video tutorial is informative for you. If you have any kind of question regarding this, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. Take care, bye bye, have fun.